Good morning. It is my 26th birthday today, and I woke up in the beautiful city of Paris. So today is clearly going to be a very fun day. If only for the fact that I'm 26 and I'm in Paris for my birthday. But also because my best friend, who is an amazing friend, planned out a bunch of birthday activities for us. I'm pretty sure we're mostly going to be eating. She hasn't told me where we're going, but we have some outfits to put on. I gotta get cute, you know. We're gonna take some photos. We're gonna eat some good food. We're gonna roam around Paris. And I'm just so excited. I feel so blessed to even be here, to be alive, that God gave me another year on this planet, and I'm just trying to be as present as I possibly can for my birthday. So yeah, that's that. This is my room. Hi, here I am. And then here is this cute little situation we have going on here, and the windows open up real big, and you can just stand out here and look at all of the trees, which are very interesting. They grow straight up. I don't think I've seen trees like this before, but anyways. And then here's the view outside the window. I'm not going to go in too far because I only have one camera for this trip. This is the view when you walk in. You walk in, there's my room on the side, and then you go straight into the kitchen. This kitchen is really pretty. And then again, those beautiful windows. There's a little kitchenette, and then you have a bunch of dishes. This Airbnb actually came very well equipped, in my opinion. It was very easy to get into, except for the first door. That lock was very strange, but I think it's just because we're not used to these French locks yet. And then you have the living room, which this would usually be a sofa, but since Noada has it set up as a bed, so her stuff is there. And then you have the little dining room area, and these are the famous keys that are very hard, in my opinion, to open. Because you have to turn the lock many times before you can actually use these. And there's this really beautiful print on the wall, and then you have the view, and the ceilings are super high, so it makes this place look humongous. And yeah, like I said, it's just very minimal, all white space, and it looks really great. I'm gonna wait till Noadza comes out of the washroom so I can show you guys the washroom, because the washroom is very clean looking. Oh, whose birthday is it? Okay, this is my beautiful bestie. Look at her, looking amazing. We're about to look so cute roaming through the streets. Look at this, look at this dress. Wait, you need to give us the look, Noadza. We want to see it. You need to see it. Do you see it? I know y'all see that. Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys the washroom. And so it looks like this. Pretty clean, pretty modern. This lights up, I'm pretty sure. Yep, it does. And then you get into the shower. Right, so we are all dressed, all ready today. This is the outfits of the day. Okay, so we're going pink. Well, mine's kind of purple, but pinks and purples and whites, you know. And of course, look, little necklaces. I don't know if y'all can see, just a simple chain. Nadia has some pearls on. That's been her vibe for the trip, the pearls.
It's the only necklace I have.
Yeah, this is the outfit for just walking around for the first day, casual and all that. I am so excited. I don't know where we're going. I think we're gonna go get breakfast. Yes, so it's gonna be breakfast. This girl's gonna feed me so much. On my birthday, she tends to overfeed me. Last year, I went to her restaurant for my birthday, and she kept sending course after course after course, so I expect kind of the same energy from her. So we'll see how this goes, but I'm pretty excited and ready to take on les rues parisiennes. So c'est ça.
Moi je vous donne
Nadia, tell us a bit about where we are.
Je connais rien de ce restaurant. À part le fait qu'il y avait une terrasse sur la tour Eiffel. C'est tout.
C'est tout.
C'est la seule raison.
Okay, so we've arrived to our first destination. It's in this hotel. What hotel?
Oh, le Cheval Blanc.
Le Cheval Blanc. And I don't know what floor we're on, but the 7th floor. But we were hoping to eat on the terrace, but apparently it's too cold for that. But regardless, we're gonna have a light breakfast, and then we're going to head to tea time. And I guess I'll just bring y'all along for that. And these are the straws that we said that are
Yeah, c'est ceux que j'aime.
the better straws.
Ça, c'est un vibe.
That is really good. Guys, like these elevators, essentially the panels light up, and depending on the time of day that it is, these will also reflect the time outside. So if we were outside, this is what we would see as we went down. Isn't this so ridiculously cool? Also, this hotel smells amazing. I think they said the smell is Parisian chic. We're waiting for our Uber to go back home. There's a lot of commotion happening. I'll spare y'all the details, but it's very interesting being here. Anyways, waiting for the Uber to arrive. And then we're gonna go get dressed and then head out to eat some more. Essentially today is all about eating.
Eating and chilling.
Eating and chilling. That's all there is. Yeah. Tomorrow we'll do more like chill activities, I think, right? Like we'll just like go to like coffee shops hopefully and like bookstores and stuff like that. But today's about the food. Anyways, y'all, we got back to the Airbnb. I took a nap because I was feeling a little bit too tired. I freshened up my makeup, got into my birthday dress, which I'll show you guys a better video of me outside. Yeah, now we're getting ready to go to our second location of the day before we head over to the last one, which apparently isn't a secret location. At first I thought that she was just messing around with me and didn't want to tell me where we were going, but she actually doesn't know where we're going, so that should be very exciting. And yeah, I think our Uber should be arriving in like a couple of minutes, so I'm gonna throw my jacket on and we're gonna get going. Okay guys, this is the birthday fit. Like I said, I was gonna give you guys the whole 350. Just a cute little silver number with the shoes. And yeah. We can. Let her be free. It's a hard life. Nadia has us in this little store. She's just feeling very impulsive and she really wants to shop, so here we are. Hey Nadia, like, what is this? I still don't know. What is this?
Like I said, a restaurant closed and they rented out a room to have a private dinner with 20 people only a night.
Ooh.
No, it is. This is my kind of meal.
Is it?
And you have parking orders, 28 table at the farm as well. We directly on one of 3 of our vegetable gardens.
Y'all, that was the best birthday dinner I've ever had in my entire life. I can't stress that enough. That was amazing. Everyone at that dinner was so lovely, so nice. The cute couples that we met that were just out here sharing their experiences about life and love lessons, and just like, it's so crazy because the connections, like, okay, so first of all, like, one of the couples worked in advertising, the other ones were super heavy into politics, which Noeza loves, and they were super cute, and like, oh, it was amazing. And then I met a bunch of people who were into textile art, which, mind you, if you don't know me, but I studied textiles in university. I was like, this is amazing, this is great. And so now we're just waiting for our Uber, and I don't know how my 27th birthday is gonna top this, but I don't care because I'm alive today and I'm enjoying today, and today's birthday is amazing, and that's all I have to say. So thank you, God, and thank you, Noeza. Thank you, God. Thank you, God, for planning this. And y'all served us a glass of wine with each course. At least, like, so I've had at least like 7 drinks, not fully full drinks, but I've had a few drinks. Anyways, all this to say, see you guys tomorrow morning when we try to wake up early enough to go to thrift stores. So we'll see. Oh, and apparently our Uber driver just canceled on us, so let's see. Je suis pas encore prête. Je suis pas encore prête pour